Ready for some science? For this experiment, you will need some milk, some dish soap. I just poured a little tiny bit in this cup because you don't really need that much. Some Q-tips and some food coloring. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to pour some milk into this cookie sheet. I'm gonna use a cup. I'm gonna pour a little bit in a cup so I don't get too crazy and accidentally pour too much. You're just gonna pour it. Okay. Next, you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to make little drops all over the milk. Blue drops. I'm gonna put some green. And some purple. Okay, I'm just gonna do it with those colors for right now and see what happens. I'm gonna take my Q-tip and the soap that I have in this cup, just a little bit, and I'm gonna roll it in here so I cover the Q-tip. Then you're just going to put the Q-tip in and see what happens. Wow. Wow, super cool. Swirly. So neat.